Aloha! Today I want to teach you a new technique to help remove pain. This can instantly work for you within a few minutes. It's a Huna technique, which is a Hawaiian ritual, and it's actually called Dynamind, but I call it the energetic vaccine because it's taken care of so many things for me. I'm going to specifically use this one here for physical pain. So if you're experiencing a lot of physical pain, I want you to locate that pain, and I want you to put your hands together like this, okay, in a circle. And so you're going to locate what it is that you're feeling and where it's at. So let's say that I have a lot of pain in my stomach. So you locate the pain and you cite what it is. There's pain in my stomach. And then you say, but this can change. That's the magic word, but this can change. This will prompt your prefrontal cortex to know that this can change, and it will find a solution for it. So there's pain in my stomach, but this can change. I'd like for this pain to be removed now. And so then you afterwards say what it is that you want to happen. So there's pain in my stomach, but this can change. Please remove this pain in my stomach now. And then I like to say, and so it is. And then afterwards you're going to tap several points, seven times. So here first on your thalamus, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you're going to do your laukum, which is right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then your ancient hammer, which is right here on the back of your neck where your neck and your spine fuses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you're going to put your hand again together and you're going to do the Pico Pico breath. The Pico Pico breath is where you breathe in through the top of your head, and then it has to have a point of exit, and so then the bottom of your feet. I like to imagine a rainbow going through my body, entire body, and then shooting out of the bottom of my feet. So you take a deep breath in. Okay, so do this several times. This helps relax the body. And then take note of where your pain is and if it's gone away. If it hasn't, then do it again, but perhaps giving it more specific direction. So like the pain, there's cramps in my stomach, but this can change. I'd like for the cramps to go away, please. Thank you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pico Pico breath. So I like to do this for my shoulders as well. There's a lot of tension in my upper shoulders, or my right shoulder, left shoulder. The more you can locate it, the better. But this can change. I'd like for the pain to go away, please. Make it so, make it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, the reason that this works is because you're locating it, the brain needs to know where it's at, okay, so there is a neuroscience with it. It connects your brain to the prefrontal cortex, and it tries to find a solution to it, and the points that you tapped on are meridians in Chinese medicine. Then the Pico Pico breath clears everything through. I hope that you use this to remove any pain that you have, and I would love to hear your results. This is free and it works. So, placebo, nocebo, I hope that it helps you out. All right, this is the second part of the Dynamind, or what I call the energetic vaccine. So the other video that I had done was on physical pain. You can actually use this to remove emotional pain as well. This will help you with traumas and with anxiety and such. Okay, so pico breath at the end. In the very beginning, you want to put your circle together, and the reason is because this combines your left brain and your right brain together and connects it and relaxes everything. Okay, so let's say that you're having a lot of anger towards a person. Okay, so I feel a lot of anger towards Tom when I think of him in my heart. Remember, you have to locate the pain and you have to state the pain. So there's a lot of anger in my heart when I think of Tom. But this can change. Remember, but this can change is the magical saying. Please help me find peace with my relationship now. Make it so, make it now. Tap 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Be sure to breathe and smile. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I like smiling because that means it already happened. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pico breath. Deep breath in through the top of your head, going through the entire body and out the bottom of your feet. Okay. Now, let's say you're having anxiety. Put your hands together. There's a lot of anxiety in my chest, and I can't breathe. But this can change. Please help me find peace and calmness in my chest, in my entire body. Make it so, make it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pico breath. So I hope that you use this tool to help you relieve any physical pain and any emotional pain. Okay, so I like to use the energetic vaccine also to boost my energy up. I actually hate doing videos and I get very nervous or speaking in front of a group. So I get very nervous and anxious in my heart when I think about public speaking, but this can change. Please help me have confidence and speak my truth to bring insight for others. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ancient hammer. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pico breath. And smile. I hope that this tool helps you bring more peace to your heart, more freedom, and more grace and courage.